सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहं संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। स्क्रीन् दृश्यते इति मन्ये। जयन्ती भगिनी स्क्रीन् दृश्यते वा?
आं महोदय।
अस्तु
आम्
अस्तु, सर्वे म्यूट् एव भवन्तु, नो चेत् कोलाहलं भविष्यति। Today is our last class in this first session series of 20 classes. I thought we'll do it in 20 classes, but it has taken 21 classes for me. My planning is not that bad. First time I'm taking a session like this. So today's 21st class, and today we'll finish it. We have a little heavy portion today because ideally I should teach one lakara per class. But then today we will be teaching 3 lakar forms in Atmanepadi. So I have been constantly writing to people in the group that kindly learn the Parasmaipadi, Lang, Lot and Vidhiling that I taught in the previous classes. Because if you know the Parasmaipadi forms, then you can relate to the Atmanepadi form also. And then the learning becomes easier because then your brain will start mapping the differences. And as I told you, Sanskritam is all about Kanthastikaranam. It is very, very important. Unless you memorize things. Unless you memorize things, Samskrita Patanam cannot go forward. Okay. Samanya conversation Rupena Samskritam Vaktum Ichati Cheta Tadrisha Kanthastikaranam na avashyakam. Perhaps if you want to learn about Shastras in Sanskritam, you have to memorize it. So I'll give you a simple example of how much memorization is important. There are 4 Puranas, right? And there are 6 Shastras. So in Bharatiya Paddhati. And there is only one person in the whole of this country who is the master of all the 6 Shastras, and that is a Sringeri Acharya, the current Sringeri Acharya and Mathadipati. He is the only expert on all the 6 Shastras. I think there are 2 people having knowledge of 4 Shastras, and then there is one person having knowledge of 2 people having knowledge of 5 Shastras, and then there is one person, I think, in Goa Madhye eva Pittal tasya nama aham vismritavan. Saha Goa Madhye vasati. Saha idanim tu Samskrita karyameva karoti. Anya jananam, anya chhatranam krite Samskritam pathayati. Tasya expert is 4 Shastrashu Madhye asti. Now I'll give you Shastranam Madhye asti. Now I'll give you a simple example of what these Shastras are. Each Shastra, I think, has got around 9 or 10 volumes of books of this size. Is my video on? Are you able to see me? So each book, I do not know how many pages, etc. Each one is around 10 to 14 books of this size. And the exam of this is also in the old Gurukulam Paddhati, wherein there will be 3 evaluators sitting on the dais, and then all the students pass exactly like today's PhD defense that happens in, say, one of the universities in the country. There will be 3 people on the dais. There will be all the students, past students, current students, anybody who wants to come to challenge can sit in the audience. And on each Shastra, they will be given a needle. It will be a golden needle. I forgot the Shalakaha. Shalakaha, Samskrite, needle. Shalakaha. I think it's called Shalaka Pariksha. This Pariksha of proving your expertise in Shastra is called Shalaka Pariksha. So in the Shalaka Pariksha, there are 3 types of tests by each examiner. First, with the needle, he will take any one page of the book. Any one page of the book. Now, the first line of that will be read to the examinee, whoever is coming to prove that he is an expert on that Shastra. He will be told the first line and he will have to recite whatever is there on that page completely. Number 1 test. Number 2 test. Again with the needle, another page will be taken. Another page will be taken. And then the person has to explain the artha of that particular shloka in the way it is written in the text, the bhavartha in that Shastra textbook. Once that is clear, the moment it is not clear, the meeting is called off. The public defense of the thesis kind of thing is called off, and the examinee or the student has to go back and come back again after the he should be. There is no such exam in the month of April, exam in the month of May, semester exam, nothing is there like that. The student will come and tell that I am ready for the exam. At that time, the Sabha will be called. It is called Shalaka Sabha, Shalaka Shastra Pariksha. Shalaka Pariksha. The third method, the same person, the first examiner only, will take with the needle one more pankti, one more page of the thick book, and then Tasmin Pustake Yat Likhitam Tasya Swasya Anuvadam Swasya interpretation Karani. Means whatever is there in that set of books which has been taken to the needle, you have to explain it in your own interpretation. That means the first examiner has cleared that you are good enough to go for the next examiner. Tadrisham 3 into 3, 9 tests by the 3 examiners. And these examiners are Panditas in that particular class. The 10th question onwards can be asked by people, students, past students, alumni, other shikshakas, whoever has come. That day mobile phone was not there. So whoever has come from the nearby villages, etc., to challenge this person's expertise on that particular Shastra. Tadrisham 4 Shastras, Tadrisham 6 Shastras has been cleared by Sringeri Madhadipati. He is the only person living in this world who has got expertise on all the 6 Shastras. So you can imagine their level of intellectual capability. So what I am saying is, how much memorization is important in Sanskrit. Memorization is very much important in Sanskrit. Initial days, I will not be forcing or I will not be stressing on that because it is very, very, very disgusting, or it is rather very, very, very discouraging for new students. But now that people who have come for today's class, there are hardly, I don't know how many students. Let me just check how many students are there in today's class. There are 25 students in today's class. That is excellent, because there is one family from whom their 3 students come from Bangalore. 3 cousin sisters come from Bangalore, and in their family there has been a death. So they have informed that the 3 of them will not be coming. That means 25 plus 3, 28. Because they will see the video later on, they inform me. All the 3 sisters inform me. So 28 students. So 28 students, these are the cream of the Pravesha, this particular group today. Because 85 people came once upon a time in the class. Not 85, I think 68 or something. And then it has come to 25. So these people have to go to the next level, which is Pravesha, Parichaya, Shiksha, Kovida. And as you go forward, there is no other other method other than Kantasthikaranam. You have to memorize, you have to by heart. There is no other option, because that is the only way you can master the language. So, with the small lecture, let me start today's class. So I explained to you what is lang in Parasmaipadi. Tad aham purve eva pathitavan. Pathitavan is lang lakaram is not apathat. Apathat is the lang form of that. Pathitavan is the savadu form of that. I taught you all of that. Patati sma, pathitavan, apathat, apathat, etat sarvam aham purve eva aham uktavan eva. Tasmin video मध्ये etat sarvam asti. Adya lang atmanepadi. Lang parasmaipadi tu apathat, apatatham, apatan, apataha, apatatam, apatata, apatam, apatava, apatama. This already we have learned. If you do not know this, that means you have not learned the earlier video, and then you have not followed my instruction of keeping on seeing the videos. And I am telling you again and again, I have no such, and I am not forcing people to see my videos, because we are attending this class. I am telling you, otherwise there are enough number of resources on all these lakars on YouTube. Please see, please make it by heart. The only way is to make it part of your system. So, apatat, apatatam, apatan, apataha, apatatam, apatata, apatam, apatava, apatama. I have already taught you. Today is the Atmanepadi form. So I told you dhatus are of two types. Last week Radhika Bani explained that there is lang lakar, lat and rittik. So vandishyate, vandishyete, vandishyante, I think she taught last week. Not I think, she did teach you last week. The vandade, vandede, vandande, that is the lat form, Prathama Purusha of Vand Dhatu. Then Vand Dhatu, lit form, which is Bhavishyat Kal or Bhavi Kala. Bhavishyat Kal she taught you. Vandishyate, vandishyete, vandishyante. Vandishyate, vandishyete, vandishyate. Vandishye, vandishyavahe, vandishyamahe. Lit form of Vand Dhatu. So today we will take all the Atmanepadi Dhatus and we will go ahead and we will understand and we will try to repeat these forms, because a lot of people have written to me that repetition in the class is good. I don't have opportunity like calling everybody and then making them repeat and all that will derail the class. But that is the way Radhika Bhagini did. She was trying to call names and then she's trying to make people repeat. But probably my method of teaching is not that, because I get disturbed when somebody makes a mistake and correcting that. That will take a lot of time. So my method is I myself repeat so that you can listen to it, and I am also recording the class and putting the video so that you folks can later on read, listen to it, and constant Kantasthikaranam, constant Shravanameva margaha, anya kopi margaha nasti. Abhyasaha karaniyah eva, tadasham karoti seva, agre samskrita patanam, samyek bhavishyati. One minute. If I show the thing for me, let me just try it. अस्तु लंग आत्मनेपदी भूतकालः Vand dhatu, because Vand is our favorite dhatu. Vand dhatu is, we have already taught the lat and the rit forms. Radhika Bhagini has told you. The meaning is exactly the same. It is past tense. The first Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam, Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam, Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam, Bahuvachanam, Dvivachanam. That is the order that we will follow. Vand dhatu, Atmanepadi, Lang lakarasya. This is Lang lakara. I think I made a mistake saying little lakara or something. Sorry. Lang lakara is Bhutakala. So we are learning Lang lakara, which means already did it, has done it, had done it, she did it, she had done it. That is all Lang lakara eva. Avandata, avandetam, avandanta. Prathama Purusha, Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. Avantadhaha, avandedham, avandadhvam. Avande, avandavahi, avandamahi. Balaha adhyapakam avandata. The boy bowed down or offered respect to the adhyapaka. Adhyapakam. Kimartham adhyapakam? Tatra dvitiya agachati. Adhyapako or to the adhyapaka he bowed down. Balakaha adhyapakam avandata. Avandata. If you remember the let form, it is apatat. That haland was there. Here the haland is not there. So you need to observe the differences and you need to memorize it. Balakau adhyapakam avandetam. Balakau adhyapakam avandetam. The two balakas offered their respect or they did vandanam to the adhyapaka. Balaha adhyapakam avandata. All the boys went and offered their respect or did vandanam to the adhyapaka. Tvam adhyapakam avandadhaha. You offered respect to the adhyapaka. Offered, past tense eva. Yuvam adhyapakam avandedham. You too offered respect or did vandanam to the adhyapakam, adhyapakaha. Yuyam adhyapakam avandadhvam. Yuyam adhyapakam avandadhvam. You all did vandanam to the adhyapakaha. Aham adhyapakam avande. I offered respect to the adhyapakaha. Avam devam avandavahi. We two, you, me and one more friend of mine, or me and one more person standing near me. Avam devam avandavahi. We too offered respect or did vandanam to the God or Devaha. Vayam devam avandamahi. Vayam devam avandamahi. We all offered respect or did obeisance or did vandanam to the God. Devam. Punah ekavaram vadami. Avandata, avandetam, avandanta. Avandadhaha, avandedham, avandadhvam. Avande, avandavahi, avandamahi. Arthabodham to already I have taught you the meaning. It means the past tense. Lang lakara, atmanepadi, these are the forms. So again I told you, we have to have cheat sheets. Cheat sheet is not for cheating in the examination, but cheat sheet is for ourselves. You would have seen the Prime Minister, when he speaks in the Parliament, he brings small cheats. Not cheat, but these are called cheat sheets. I don't know. English people give all kind of negative meanings. Cheat, you don't have to cheat actually. It's a chit. Chit has got small notes. And the Prime Minister is an expert in oratorial skills. So he's got these cheat sheets. And you will see somebody else also coming and giving a small cheat sheet to the Prime Minister. Come and speak about this particular topic. So that's the kind of research that the Prime Minister does when he gives a rally and he talks to 50,000 people in Bihar. He knows exactly what the people want to hear. That kind of research has been done before by his party men, before in the constituency, and they have given him points on to what are the things that people want to listen from the Prime Minister. So it is not like Priyanka Gandhi going and telling in a constituency, "Aapko idhar gas nahi mil raha hai kya, pani nahi mil raha hai kya, bijli nahi mil raha hai kya." That is not the problem that people face in that particular constituency. The problem is that people from the constituency could be something totally different. So you need to go to each constituency and talk to the people in their language, in what they understand and what connects to them. And our Prime Minister is excellent at that. And how does he do that? He's got cheat sheets. So we also need to have cheat sheets for Sanskrit. So this is a small cheat sheet. Just write it down. Atmanepadi lang lakaraha. Pradham Purusha ata dha a. I already told you. In lang lakara, the first prefix will be a. Adagamaha. Muktavaneva. In lang lakara, the first letter will always be a, which is adagamaha, plus dhatu, plus the pratyaya. The pratyaya is what we will write in the cheat sheet. A plus dhatu plus pratyaya. अत एताम अंत अत अवंदत आ प्लस धातु प्लस त अवंदत आ प्लस धातु प्लस एताम अवंदेताम आ प्लस धातु प्लस अंत अवंदंत अवंदंत पश्यतु अवंदंत अंत आ प्लस धातु प्लस अधाः अवंदधाः आ प्लस धातु प्लस एधाम अवंदेधाम आ प्लस धातु प्लस अध्वम अवंदध्वम आ प्लस धातु प्लस ए अवंदे क्षम्यतां क्षम्यतां अवंदे आ प्लस धातु प्लस आवहि अवंदावहि आ प्लस धातु प्लस आमहि अवंदामहि. That is a cheat sheet. So I converted, it's like a mathematical formula, A plus B plus C. It's now become, it's like an element, H2 plus O, H2O. It's like A plus dhatu plus ata, A plus dhatu plus etam, ata etam anta, adhaha edham advam, E avahi amahi. Need to map this into your brain. So let us use the same technique that we learned right now. A plus dhatu plus pratyaya. So pratyaya is written on the small table on the left side. Vand I have already explained. Vand means to bow down, to pay obeisance, to show respect. Vand dhatu, to bow down and all that. Bhash, bhash dhatu is an atmanepati dhatu eva. It is mean to speak. Bhashate, bhashate, bhashete, bhashanti. That is the lat form. Now we are talking about a lang form. A plus dhatu plus a plus bhash plus ada, abhashata. A plus bhash, bhash plus etam, abhashetam. A plus dhatu, which is a plus bhash plus anta, abhashanta. Abhashathaha, abhashedham, abhashadhvam, abhashe, abhashavahi, abhashamahi. Ramaha abhashata, it means Ram spoke, sorry, spoke nahi. Ram spoke. Ram has spoken. Ram spoke already. Ramaha abhashata. Ramau abhashetam. The two Ramas for the purpose of the class example, just to show you that Dvivachane abhashetam. Ramaha abhashanta. Ramaha abhashanta. It is a little tongue twister. It is also a little brain, you'll have to rewire and unwire your brain to learn Sanskrit, and that is the beauty. People who are above 40 in this class, and I'm sure there are several in this class who are above 40, brain actually starts degenerating when you use less of it. It is not that the brain degenerates on its own when you use less of it. But the moment you start learning Sanskrit, that is the advantage. You will have to use your right side of the brain and the left side of the brain. Otherwise, what will happen is that if you don't use the brain properly, there will be nothing left on the right side and there will be nothing right on the left side. But if you constantly learn this language and start training your brain, you will have to use both the right and the left, because Sanskrit is a science and an art. There is an art form in it, there is a science form in it. So you need to know both the left side and the right side of the brain. You have to properly utilize it, and your memory power will increase, which I myself have experienced. Like in my office also, I'm able to perform better in terms of remembering older things or things of the past, rather than going and Googling it or probably taking my own laptop and trying to figure out an old mail. I'm able to remember it because I'm feeling that my memory power is getting better. And I'm sure all of you who are learning Sanskrit and doing the Kantasthikaram practice will really feel it. Abhashata, abhashetam, abhashanta, abhashathaha, abhashedham, abhashadhvam, abhashe, abhashavahi, abhashamahi. Vardh means increase. Vardhate, that is the latlakara ekavachana form. Avardhata, avardhetam, avardhanta, avardhathaha, avardhetham, avardhadhvam, avardhe, avardawahi, avardhamahi. Mod. Mod dhatu ityukte to be happy. Ahladam karotu, anandam karodu. Balaha amodata. The boy is anandam karoti. Etava modata. Balau amodetam. Balaha amodanta. Tvam amodadhaha. Yuvam amodetham. Yuyam amodadvam. Aham amode. Avam amodavahi. Vayam amodamahi. Pard dhatu. Pard means to compete, to contest. Balaha, cricket. Let us say cricket. Cricket, cricket, just for the example only. So let us say cricket in Dvitiya Vibhakti is cricketam, cricketine, cricketam. There is nothing called cricketam. Just for example, I am showing you that the karma padam, the kartri padam, the karma padam, the kriya padam. The kartri padam is balaha. Cricket is the karma padam, so it will go in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Just to explain that, I am telling you cricketam. Otherwise, there is nothing called cricketam. Okay, there is nothing called cricketam. Krida, kridam. Let us say krida. That is better. Balaha kridam aspardhata. Kridam aspardhata. That means the boy is contesting in that game. Cricketam aspardhata. The boy is contesting in cricket or is the match. Spardh is match eva. Balau kridam aspardhetam. That means again, remember it's past tense, not the boy is, the boy has. I'm sorry if I said is. It is not as lang lakar is all about has or had. Balau kridam aspardhetam, which means the two boys had contested in that particular game or cricket or whatever. Balaha kridam aspardhanta. Aham aspardhataha. Aham, not. Tvam aspardhataha. Yuvam aspardhetam. Yuyam aspardhatvam. Aham aspardhe. Avam aspardhavahi. Vayam aspardhamahi. These are the 9 forms. Ashobhata, ashobhetam, ashobhanta. Shobhate ityukte shobhate ityukte the glitter. So ashobhata is the lang lakarasya prathama purusha ekavachanam eva. That is what is written here. So all the prathama purusha ekavachanam lang lakar is written here. We will do the remaining 8 forms. So shobhate, shobhadatu eva. Shobhate is the atmanepadi latlakarasya ekavachanam. Ashobhata is, it is already glittered. Ashobhata, already glittered. Avartada, avartada means it is there. So it had been there. Avartada. Atrayata, atrayata ityukte trayate ityukte protected. Rakshanam karodu trayate. Avartada is repetition. Bhasate, I told you, to speak. Vardhate is to increase. Shankate is to doubt. Sevate is to serve. Sahate is to tolerate. So whatever I told you right now is the lat lakarasya ekavachana form. Whatever is written here is the lang lakarasya ekavachana form. We will just, for the purpose of the class, we will do the repetition of all the other forms. Ashobhata, ashobhetam, ashobhanta, ashobhataha, ashobhedham, ashobhadvam, ashobhe, ashobhavahi, ashobhamahi. Next one is Avartata, vartadatu. Had been there. Avartada, had been there or was there. Avartata, avartetam, avartanta, avartataha, avartedham, avartadvam, avarte, avartavahi, avartamahi. Trayate, to protect, to rakshanam karot, to protect. Sajjanam, sajjanaha, sajjanam, atrayata. It means good people have to protect good people. Sajjanaha, sajjanam, atrayat. Good people had to protect me. The meaning is past tense again. Good people had protected good people. That is why our parampara is still alive, right? Good people or good souls had protected good souls. Atrayata, atrayetam, atrayanta, atrayathaha, atrayedham, atrayadvam, atraye, atrayavahi, atrayamahi. Aham sajjanam atraye. I had protected sajjana, good people. Avam sajjanam atraye vahi. We too had protected good people. Vayam sajjanam atrayamahi. We all had protected good people. Had protected. Had. If I have said is protecting, it is wrong. Had protected because it is lang lakara. Avartata, already it is shown before and I explained it. Abhasata, I think the previous slide Abhashata was there, so we have already done that. So you can listen to the video and you can do it. Vardhate is the lat atmanepadi ekavachanam. Avardhata is the lang lakara pradama purusha ekavachanam eva. Whatever is written is pradama purusha eva. Lang lakara. Avardhata, avardhetam, avardhanta, avarthathaha, avartedham, avartadvam, avarte, avardhe, sorry, avartha, avartha hai, so I'll just correct it once again. My own pronunciation is wrong. Avarthanta, avarthata, avarthedham, avardhanta, avarthadhaha, avartedham, avardhadvam, avardhe, avardhavahi, avardhamahi. It is not ta, it is dha. It's my mistake. So that's why I corrected it once again. Avardhe, avardhavahi, avardhamahi. Sevate. Sevate is latte pradama purusha ekavachanam. Asevata, lang lakareva. Now I'll tell all the 9 forms. Asevata, asevetam, asevanta, asevathaha, asevedham, asevadvam, aseve, asevavahi, asevamahi. Now comes a little next part of it. In the earlier class I told you this dhatus with upasargaha, how the lang lakara form comes. The lang lakara forms of dhatu with upasargaha is a little different because you have to add that a, then you will take out the, it's like mathematical derivation. You need to first take out the upasargaha, then you add that adagamaha to the dhatu and then you combine it together again. Vichukte, parivartate will become a, parivartata is wrong, a will come after pari. So pari plus vartate, parivartate. So pari plus avartate, avartate then will become avartata. So pari plus avartata, e plus a, paryavartata, paryavartata, paryavartetam, paryavardanta, paryavartataha, paryavartedham, paryavartadvam, Paryavarte, Paryavartavahi, Paryavartamahi. Prashobhate, which means again Shobhate itself, little more emphasized on that. Prashobhate means to glitter ever. So Prashobhate will be pra plus Shobhate. So the a will come in between pra plus a plus Shobhate. But a will come on the dhatu only, not on the upasarga. So Prashobhata it will become. Prashobhata, Prashobhate, Prashobhedam, Prashobhanta, Prashobhataha, Prashobhedam, Prashobhadhva, Prashobhate, Prashobhatavahi, Prashobhatamahi. Abhivantate, Abhi plus A plus Vandate. So Avandate will become, so it is Vandate will become Vandeta. So Abhivantate will become Abhyavandeta. Abhyavandeta. Abhi plus A plus Vandate. Then Vandate will become Vandeta. Because that's what I told you. Vandeta in the first one. Just see here. Sorry. Vandata. Sorry, not Vandata. Vandeta. Vandata. Shamitam. So it will become Abhyavantata, Abhyavantetam, Abhyavantanta, Abhyavandyadhaha, Abhyavandetham, Abhyavandandvam, Abhyavande, Abhyavandavahi, Abhyavandamahi. Upakurute. Upakaram karutu eva upakurute. Parantu upa plus kurute. Kurute will become Upakuruta. Upa plus a plus kurute will become kuruta, but akuruta. So upa plus akuruta will become a plus a upakuruta. Prakashate will become prakashata. Paryavartate. Oh, it is already written there. I'm sorry. On the right side, it is already written there. So I don't have to derive it. On the left side is the Paryavartate, is the Lattu form. The lung form is that Pari plus A plus Avartata will become Paryavartata. Prashobhate will become Prashobhata. Abhivantate will become Abhyavantata. Upakurute will become A plus A, Akuruta. Upa plus Akuruta, Upakuruta. Pra plus Akashata, Prakashata, Prakashata. So that is what is important in the lung forms. So that is about the lung forms. We are a little slow because I wanted to give some time for feedback and all that. But that's okay. Whoever is remaining at 9 o'clock, we'll do feedback with them because important is to finish whatever I wanted to teach, and then we can do all that. Astu. So lung atmanepadi idanim samaptameva. Now we'll go to the new thing. What is the new thing? We need to